We're here at the International Builders Show 17. I'm with nghtv.com, and I'm Krista Inikovsky talking with Glenn Siegel and of Eaton. Nice to have you, Glenn. So tell me, let's see, you're the Director of Marketing, and you have some really interesting products, new lighting products to share with everyone here at the show. What can you show us today?
Good afternoon. Thanks for joining Eaton, the power management company. And from our Halo product line, we're introducing our new ML4 Series. This is a brand new retrofit, new construction or remodel product, LED, that can go into 4-inch aperture downlights. What makes it unique is it comes in 4 different color temperatures. You can get it, 90 CRI. Also, it has interchangeable lenses, so you can go from a 25-degree spread up to a 55-degree spread, or even a wall washer, and just place the optic inside the module like you see there. So again, it can be done in the field or directly from the factory. Then you can choose whether you want a square trim or you want a round trim. And again, that can be changed in the field as well, because the module goes into either a round remodel housing that we have here, which is ultra shallow. These allow for going into spaces that are less than 4 inches in depth, which is very unique for remodel, or we have our new construction product as well. So you can go into new construction with this whole new series.
So very customizable. It looks like not only can you change out the look of the fixture, but also the bulbs and the light direction or amount of light and color.
Correct. And what really makes this unique in the market is that it's the amount of lumens that you're getting out of this product. And again, the lumens relate to traditional light sources. So at less than 10 watts, this is producing as much light as a 50-watt MR16 line voltage product. So again, 80% energy savings. Lifetime on LED is in decades, really. You can, 50,000 hours, that's used at 6 hours a day, that's 23 years from now, you're still going to get appreciable light out of the product. So again, it's very long life as well as very good energy savings.
And fun flexibility. I didn't even see a screwdriver involved. Some magnets, and you can change out the look and customize your lighting along with energy savings.
Pretty amazing. If you'd like to take a look at the new SMD Series that we have here, this is something very different. This is really a problem solver where you don't have any room above the plenum space to have a housing, as I showed you earlier. This product can go into a junction box. So as you know, a junction box is less than 2 inches tall, and this gets wired up into the junction box and then goes onto the actual ceiling itself. So it looks like a downlight, acts like a downlight, produces light like a downlight, dims, comes in 4 different color temperatures, does everything you want of downlight, but it's really a surface mount product. And we've also introduced it in a square version as well, which again matches a lot of the interiors today for linear type of a look versus the round. The product can be had in different trim finishes. You can get Tuscan bronze, satin nickel, or a white finish that you can paint any color that you want.
So you can take an existing home that you live in and really change up the lighting for something that's give it a new modern look.
And have all the efficiency and benefits of LED that you didn't have with the old type of light sources. Absolutely. And then finally here, we have a new technology called dim to warm from Halo. And what this product does is it replicates incandescent type of a light source. So when you would dim down an incandescent light source, it would go from white light down to something more orange or red, which is what we're all used to with fire. That's how fire looks. With LEDs, typically you pick a color temperature and then that just dims up or down. With the new dim to warm, it turns, as you can see here, it turns on and off, and then it goes from, right, so here it is fully up, and as it dims down, it warms up.
So you can really create a nice ambiance, a nice atmosphere, and that with that dimmable capability.
It's what we're all used to from traditional light sources. So again, for hospitality or residential, it really fits in nicely with the decor and what people are used to.
I think you have a little bit more to show us, so let's take a look.
Okay, great.
All right, so tell us, what do we have here, Glenn?
So this is our SMD series, and we have two different types. We have SMD that go into a junction box, so you would attach this ring that you see here to a junction box, do your wiring, and then the product gets snapped on top of that. And you can see you still have about a 1/2 inch of product down below the ceiling line. We've also got something called a direct mount version, which, as you see here, there's actually a junction box mounted to the product. So you cut the aperture opening, which then allows the product to be less than 1/8 of an inch below the ceiling line. So again, it looks very, very flat and goes directly into the ceiling. So again, for the most trim out look, you have the option of either way to go. We have it in both 6-inch, and we also have 4-inch versions of that as well.
And I understand this is a brand new product that is coming out to the market anytime now.
Yes, we're premiering the product, and it'll be out in the first quarter.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, Glenn.
Terrific.
From the International Builder Show 2017 and NGHTV.com, I'm Krista Inakovsky.